loves, in today's video I will be showing you what I have in my new Sequin Plush Panda backpack, and I will also be sharing a small makeup haul. I purchased the Extremely Me Sequin Plush Panda mini backpack from Family Dollar for $7. When I saw this backpack, I just had to get it. I love the light blue iridescent sequins, and the white fur is so soft. It has baby pink details and silver hardware. The panda face on the front pocket is so cute. I love the lashes and the hot pink blush and the pastel iridescent rainbow ears. The first product that I have in my bag is a Jellylicious lip gloss from Ruby Kisses. It is formulated with mango butter and acai berry, and it is in the shade Irresistible Candy. It is a really pretty light shimmery pink. Next, I have this Snowman sanitizer holder that I found at Walmart, and it is so cute. Again, from Walmart, I picked up several of these different character lip glosses a few years back. This is a Snowflake from Frozen. Let me see if I can open it. Can I open it? Almost got it. Here's what the inside looks like. I have this limited edition Pure Ice nail polish, and it is in the shade Holly at Your Girl. Super cute dark green. See, I have a few more polishes. This is the China Glaze nail lacquer with hardeners. It is from their Grinch collection. It is a glittery hot pink. Love it. And this is in the shade Who Wonder. And I think this is my last nail polish that I have in here. This is from LA Colors. It is their Hypno Holographic nail polish in the shade Surreal. And this is a shimmery icy blue. I also have a few glitters. I'm going to start off with these two glitter gels from LA Colors. And they're both like an iridescent silver glitter mix. Here's a close-up of the first one. It's like icy, kind of remind me of snow. And this one does not have a name. And here is their Prism Gel body glitter. And this is Ice Princess. Moving on to the Magic Collection. Uh-oh. I'm so sorry, this is having a hard time focusing with all this glimmer. This is the Magic Collection glitter eyeliner. Again, it's very iridescent, has like the iridescent rainbow glitter. And it is in the shade White. Moving on, I have two candy cane flavored lip balms. This first one is from Lip Smacker, and I love the cute candy cane picture. And the second one is from Soft Lips, and it's their peppermint stick. And again, super cute candy packaging. This is the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade, let's see, Pixie. And again, it has the iridescent rainbow glitters. Very bright. I have these two adorable Mickey and Minnie lip glosses from Walmart. They're so cute. I love their little Santa hats. And this is what the inside looks like. Just pop that off and then it opens up. So Minnie has this light pink gloss. And Mickey has a like medium blue. They apply clear though, but they're really moisturizing. I have a Malibu Glitz Metallic Shadow in the shade Shiny Gray. It's metallic silver. Really shimmery on the eyes, and I love this packaging. I have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Winter Falls in LA. It's really pretty, and I love the design. I have these Snowflake water decals for my nails, and I actually did a tutorial using these that will be available in the description. But it has 30 sheets and the snowflakes come in a bunch of different colors. I really like these pink and purple ones. Let's see. I have these nails that my mom gifted me for Christmas. They're really cute. They are white, green, and red. They have little ornaments and Christmas trees and sparkles. I have the BH Cosmetics 16 color nice eyeshadow palette. I really like the sweater print. Uh-oh. Okay. This is what this looks like. I love these colors. And the shimmers are so cute. I have done a tutorial using this palette that will also be linked in the description. I purchased this adorable gingerbread house tin from, I want to say Dollar General or Dollar Tree. Either way, it was only $1. And it is so cute. I love the candies. A little wreath on the door. And in here, I just have some different winter themed glitters, in my opinion. Uh-oh. So I have these iridescent 4-point stars. Uh-oh. And they're so cute. I love the way they look when the light hits them. I have iridescent flakes. I have these blue iridescent flakes that they kind of remind me of like sea glass. Super cute. I have these white iridescent 5-point stars. And I have Silver Flake. And in this little tube, I just have some iridescent microfine glitter. The last two items that I have in the main compartment of my backpack are these Snowman nail files, and they're so adorable. So I have a pink one and a blue one, and they have these cute snowflake designs on them. In this front pocket, I have more iridescent makeup products. The first one being this Maybelline Master Holographic Prismatic Highlighter in shade 50. It is so pretty. I have the LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer. And this is in the shade Sugar Dust. It's kind of like a white iridescent powder. Really shimmery. It makes a great highlight. Again, from LA Colors, I have their Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow in the shade Snow White. I have an NYC Sparkle Eye Dust in the shade Opal Sparkle. And lastly, I have the Revlon Color Charge eyeshadow in Holographic. And that's what it looks like. On the left side of my vanity, I have two Minnie Body Fantasies body sprays. I have the Sparkling Winter Apple, and then I also have Candy Cane Kiss. In the middle, I have the Find Your Happy Place Home for the Holidays hand cream. It is nutmeg and sweet cream scented. And to the right, I have the Luxe Perfumery Shimmer Mist in Sugared Orchid. It is a really pretty gold glitter and shimmer body spray. Now it's time for my mini makeup haul. Since it is the holiday season, I thought this would be a fun way to show you what I got. I purchased these 3 Body and Earth lotions from Walmart for $1 each. I have Freshly Baked Gingerbread, Glistening Vanilla Sugar, and Warm Sugar Cookies. Next, I have all 4 of the Hershey's Squeeze Tube lip glosses. I saw these on Instagram, and when I went to Dollar Tree and saw the display, I was so excited to see that they had all 4 flavors. These were $1 each. You have milk chocolate, s'mores, cherry chocolate s'mores. That sounds so good. And the cookies and cream. This is my favorite Hershey bar. I am so excited to open these and try them out. At Family Dollar, I found these Color Spell Shadow Trios. They were $1 each. I have Stratus and Cirrus. And these colors are so cute. I'm really excited to try out these shimmers. They look very pretty. More amazing $1 makeup finds. My local 99-cent store has been getting in a lot of NYX products. And of course, if you are familiar with NYX, I don't think any of their products are $1. So I picked up 2 items. I got their Soft Matte Lip Cream in Vancouver. And then I picked up their Liquid Crystal Liner in Silk. I picked up 2 new Squeeze Tube glosses from Magic Collection. I love their formula. Super moisturizing and never sticky. I got their Watermelon Lip Gloss. Focus. I got their Watermelon Lip Gloss. And look at that packaging. It is so cute. This one's new to me. This is a repurchase. Their Rainbow Sugar. I love it. It smells like candy. And it is so cute. These glosses were $1.50. The last product in my haul is this LA Colors Some Things Are Meant to Be Lip Balm and Hand Cream Kit. I purchased it from Family Dollar for $1. I love the packaging. It is so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I am currently planning my first video for the new year and I am so excited. Leave a comment below telling me what you thought of today's video and I will see you in 2022. Bye loves!